of mine. Thank you.
There's so many stickers there. That is just sick. I'm gonna put every single one of these stickers on. I'm gonna plaster them all over underneath, obviously.
Alright, I'll keep them until then.
Nah, give me the stickers. Give me the stickers.
I think I should put them with my other stickers though.
No.
Alright.
These are my stickers.
Alright.
How do they write in? They write in English? I guess probably, yeah.
Is it in English?
It seemed like it was. It just didn't make any sense. This is the rear diff mounting polyurethane bushing Audi 55mm street hardness. Just doesn't get any better than that. Or does it? No, it doesn't. I like how many boxes there is inside of a box.
And that there's styrofoam inside, like, and paper. These are all good things. I like your technique.
Oh, look.
Oh no.
Grease? I think it's grease.
Yeah, silicone grease. Keep the mount from squeaking. Very nice. Nice and solid.
It's beautiful. There's that. And as we dig further, we have another box. This is polyurethane front snub engine mount for an Audi. Not just any Audi either. The best Audi to exist. As much as I'd love to really just... Baby.
What is you doing?
Dropped it.
The old snub mount? Alright, that's nice, but not as exciting.
It wasn't.
They have a sticker in there too for you.
Keep her safe. You know, when I open these up to put them on the car, I get to do it all over again. It's going to be amazing.
Yeah. I'll probably get some of that all over my floor. I can sweep it up. Feel good about how my shop's clean.
This one's got some heft to it. Gearbox mounts for Audi C4, S4, S6. Again, street hardness. The joke here is that everybody thought it was going to be on the street.
It's a good joke. I'll laugh.
Again, we have a sticker.
It's terrible at this point.
No, I'm definitely buying so many things from them now. And just
We're gonna run out of windows.
I guess I'm gonna stick them underneath the car, like underneath. Ever put it on a lift?
Bro, they sent hardware and everything.
I got hardware, and then I've got another package to open up.
Bro, we might even.
And it's not just regular bubble wrap. Look at that.
It's the good stuff.
It's black. I've never seen black rubber bubble wrap.
It's heavy duty, like garbage bags.
Yeah.
They got tape on that joint. After
they had it in a box
with paper,
with like
packing paper.
Yeah.
And then another box with packing peanuts.
Yeah.
And then Yeah, so that's billet.
That is sick. Smell that.
Smells surgical.
It is surgical.
Alright. Yeah, we need to wrap that motor up.
Yeah. That has got to happen. I don't even care if we don't wrap the motor up. I just want to set it back in there. All right.
We could just buy a core motor so that we can put one in.
And now for the main event.
You're leaving so much room in the comment section right now.
I just think it's funny that everybody that's watching this video thought that I was doing this for them.
Okay.
The whole time I was only doing it for myself. Oh my. Ah, you thought. And now, engine mount. For an Audi. 5-cylinder, again, street. Hardness. I have to hold myself back so much.
I like the different techniques each time. It's
because I'm so excited.
It's creative. Your frontal lobe is working well right now.
Overdrive. Ooh, and I don't know, bro.
You could, if you email them, they'll probably send you another one.
I think I'm gonna, honestly. I mean, seriously, like I was really expecting that to have a nice sticker in it.
Yeah.
Messed up. I'm gonna send them this video.
I know. Up until this point, I was thinking we could send it to them and maybe get a sponsorship, but that was at that point.
Probably not safe. I'm too excited to be holding a knife in my hand.
That was what my comment from the comment sections came from when you drew towards yourself to open the box. Oh, they even zip tie the pieces together so you know how it goes. Like
that is phenomenal. There has been a lot of things said in the car scene about how somebody's car is this or somebody's car is that, and bro, I've got this or I've got that, but I have this. And quite frankly, I challenge anybody to show me a part that is better than this. This is premium work. I mean, look at the top of this cat. I don't even know what this is, but look at the words just etched in there. I mean, that is quality work.
Yeah, I really like the whole zip tie thing. Like they package it up like legit. Like
they make so that when you pull this out of the package, you have an experience.
Yeah.
They are so in tune with what the customer is looking for. I mean, what I'm looking for.
They wanted you to feel how you're feeling right now.
Yes. Wow.
They knocked it out of the park.
I would say my overall experience with this company,
without even driving the car with the mounts in it yet.
Yeah. So far.
Which, we'll have part 2 reviews, but
just so far with purchasing and receiving the box, 10 out of 10. The only thing that I would say that even remotely has been a drawback is the messed up sticker in this box.
I think they can handle that for you.
Oh yeah. But they've sent so many other stickers too. Don't let that stop you from purchasing.
The fact that they're going to send you another sticker is the reason people.
Well, and they sent so many too. Yeah. Like you really can't say like that sticker.
Yeah, most people
really messed it up.
Honestly, most people wouldn't care at all.
Probably not.
Yeah.
But I'm just. I mean, in all honesty, if I had to give my honest opinion, I would say, great product, super good packaging. The way that they present it when you open it up, it's just amazing. It looks amazing. I can't wait to put it on the car and try it out. And yeah.
Can I see the other one?
Which one?
The other one.
This one?
Yeah, there's two.
So we can just go right ahead here.
And bolts. Oh.
All the goodness, really. Don't want to mess up those stickers. So we'll just go ahead and set that right there. I should do a parts lineup is what I should do, but all right. This has got to be the best $2,000 I've ever spent. I'm joking. You know, there's somebody that was like, "Oh man, I was gonna buy that." 2,000.
Nah. It ain't real, bro.
Okay. My overall experience with Verkline. Great product. However, I don't know where they get their zip ties. I would say with the sticker and with the zip tie.
Bro, it's the thought that counts.
It's 9.999 out of 10.
All right.
Very close to 10. But I have to keep it real.
Yeah. I respect that.
Real.
Yeah.
This took my experience down just a tad. Not even like most people wouldn't even care. The sticker just kind of, just a little bit. But the main thing here to remember is that overall, most people would never care about that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just that guy that for some reason does care about this, and I don't care about, let me look at my table, I don't care about anything else in my life, but for some reason I care about this for no good reason at all.
Yeah.
But it did detract from my experience, so 9.999 out of 10. Other than that, I will definitely be purchasing from them. I'll just probably add in the notes.
Please.
Yeah.
2 zip ties? Or just different
2
ones?
zip ties would be nice because it would kind of center it a little more, but probably just stronger zip ties would probably do it too. But other than that, phenomenal job. Just great. Absolutely great. Do not let their website deter you from purchasing these. If you see something that says out of stock, like half of these parts were out of stock on their website, but I purchased them. What was it, like a month and a half, maybe?
I don't even know it was that long ago. I think 4 weeks max.
Yeah, it was probably about a month ago.
Yeah, and they're here, like.
Yeah, and they're already here. So
all of them.
You know, obviously their turnaround time is, or their production time is
stellar. And just the billetness, bro, it's just good. Alright, well, I guess next one up will either be other parts or us testing the mounts. Say good night.
Let's start them out with a little sticker pack. Appreciate y'all. Good night.